name?
My name is Obadaisi Odetunde.
Obadaisi. What is the meaning?
He rescued me the day of there. That's how
The water.
The water.
Pronto, eu perguntei qual era o nome dele, Obadaisi, e qual era o significado. Ele disse que a água o salvou, que não o deixou afogar-se na água. What is your name?
Obagbemi.
Obagbemi. Another question.
Yes, ma'am.
You said you talk about Oba and about her name when she was born as a human being.
Yeah.
Asabo.
Asabo
is the name for her as a human being.
Yes.
So you talk about Olufa or Salufa.
Yeah.
What is the relationship between Oshalufa and Asaboba?
The same family.
They are same family.
Yeah, the same
So
family.
she's descendant from Obatala,
Yes.
Olufa.
Yes.
That is why the people use white bead for Oba.
And
Uh-huh.
you should not take anything alcoholic.
And not take alcohol at all.
Yes.
So it means you cannot drink palm wine.
Oh, I will not.
Pronto. Eu estou lhe a perguntar porque Oba também viveu como ser humano e teve o nome de Assabó. E ele teve a explicar que Assabó era descendente de Olufã, Obatala Olufã. E por isso todos eles usam o branco. Oba usa o branco e não têm, é tabu para eles beberem bebidas alcoólicas como o vinho de palma, exatamente para Obatala. So it means that Assabó, Oba, that she's related to Obatala, she's related to Olufa.
Yes.
Like the father who born her was from Olufa family.
Yes.
Pronto. Aquilo que me estão a explicar é que o pai que nasceu a Assabó Oba, que era de Olufa. Chant small for Assabó Oba, for Orisha Oba.
Asabo eleko ajigunja yagba fulegi asegbeleyin ẹni tá ń dáró rọmí ní pápá èrìmọ níjù eleko ajigunja pọtẹmí lónìí o eleko ọba yamuyamu omi o fulegi. That's how we.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
All of you are children of Orisha Oba.
Yes.
This area here belongs to Oyo East local government. So Izile Oba Alaafin. So this is the Orisha Oba.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
And this is the river Oba.
Oba, yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about the history of your forefathers and about the history of Orisha Oba?
Thank you very much, ma'am. Our forefather from Oburo.
Oburo. Where is that?
Oburo is within Oyolesha.
It's close to Oyole.
Very close to
it
Oyole.
Still belong to Olon, to the area of Alaafin.
Yes, it's a land of Alaafin.
Si.
So our forefathers, they call it Agberi.
Agberi.
That is Olufa. So
that is what?
Olufa, Agberi.
Olufa has to do anything with Obatala.
Olufa, yes.
Has to do with Obatala.
Do with Obatala.
So let me just translate small in Portuguese. Nós estamos aqui numa vila que pertence ao Oió, ao governo local do Oió East, e estamos no santuário e no rio de Oba. Todos estes jovens que estão aqui comigo são filhos do Orixá Oba, são todos descendentes dos antepassados de Oba, e eu perguntei a eles a história sobre o Orixá Oba e também a história sobre os descendentes, sobre os antepassados deles. E eles estão-me a dizer que os antepassados deles vieram. Where did it come from? The name again? Soros?
We come from Oburo.
Ogboro is close to Oyole. Pronto, eles dizem que a família deles vêm de Boro, que é perto de Oyole, ainda pertence ao domínio do Alafim. And you talk about Igberi Lufan. Agberi Olufan. What is Agberi Olufan?
Agberi Olufan is a white. Is what did I
Orisha.
call it? It's Orisa
It's
also.
Obatala.
It's Obatala. So this Oba, we call it her name Asabo.
Asabo. What is
Asabo.
Asabo?
Asabo is Oba name.
Oba.
When he's alive,
Asabo.
when he's alive, Asabo. When he's alive, that's her name.
When she's alive. Wait, let's go back to this place that you said has to do with Obatala, with Olufan, right? This place, is it a village?
It's a village of Olufa.
Is a village of Olufan, close to Oyole, in the area of Alafin.
Yes, exactly.
Pronto, and your family come from that area. It's close to that area.
We come from that area.
Pronto, ele está a falar também de outra vila que é perto de Oyole, a antiga cidade de Oyo, e que tem a ver com o orixá Obatala Olufan, e que eles são descendentes daí. É o que ele está a contar neste momento. So, now, for me to understand, explain me the history of Oba. Oba is Orisha, correct? Orisha, it came from heaven, correct?
Yes.
So, and you told me before that Oba was the wife of Shango. Can you tell us the history?
Oba is the wife of Shango in olden days, which we call her name Asabo.
Asabo.
Asabo, that is her name. Okay. So then Oba we have one here, as I said. You understand me? Now, is the wife of Sango.
But she has only one here. Why she has only one here?
They're by themselves within they have the crisis within the Osun and
okay,
Oba.
Osun and Oba, they fight together.
They fight together. That's
so
Osun
took the year. So she had only one here. And Oba was the wife of Shango as well, like Osun and Oya. So what happened then?
So it's only that crisis happened that make the Asabo turn to water.
Okay.
So, and our father is the family of Asabo.
Okay, and your forefathers is the family of Asabo.
The same mother, the same father.
So let me explain. Pronto, a história que eles estão a contar é que Oba é um orixá, mas viveu também na terra como um ser humano. E quando ela era ser humano, chamavam-lhe Asabo. E quando, ela era um ser humano que se chamava Asabo, ela casou com Xangô. E teve uma briga com Oxum. E Oxum cortou-lhe a orelha, uma das orelhas. Então, ela ficou muito infeliz e virou água. E aí, o rio virou rio. E daí surgiu o nome do rio Oba. Ele está a dizer que os antepassados da família deles são da família de Asabo, de Oba, tanto da parte da mãe como da parte do pai. Por isso é que, you told me before, that the children that are blood from Asabo, from Oya, from Oba, that you can stay inside the river, you will not die.
You will not die.
You will not die. But if it's a stranger, he can die. He can die. Pronto, aqueles tinham me contado, eu confirmei novamente. Eles dizem que Oba sabe quem são os filhos dela. Então, se forem os filhos que caiam na água, eles não morrem. Mas se for uma pessoa estranha, essa pessoa morre. Então, eles cultuam todos os anos Oba aqui nesta zona. This is the place where you worship Oba.
Yes, exactly.
So you were telling me before that Oba used to come out as a spirit.
Yes, some people have been seeing it.
I've been seeing the spirit of Oba.
We can mention about 2-3 people.
Nowadays,
nowadays.
Used to see the spirit of Oba.
Wish.
So, how many times you worship Oba in a year?
In a year?
Yes, you worship. When do you do the festival? Once in a year? How many times you do the
No, it's
festival?
not like that. So for my own family, I myself personally, I used to worship Oba every blessed day that I'm inside this town. That is how all my family used to do. So we believe it as our own
Property.
property.
Your own.
Yeah. So we serve it every
Every day.
blessed day. Even if we don't care any ghost there, we can come here in the morning and put the OB. Say Yawa Sabo, Eleko Ajigunja, Yagba Yagba Fulegi, Yomini Papa, Erimoniju, ni wá kí yín ni ẹ jẹ́ kí àsìgbè lẹ́yìn ẹni tá à ń dá lóró mo ní kí wá kí yín lónìí ni ẹ jẹ́ kí tèmi náà dá ní òní. That's how we used to
Pray for her.
every day in my own family.
But the old town, normally once in a year, they worship
Generally
once in a year.
once in a year.
Okay, when is dry season or when is raining season? Is when the river go down? Is more when the river go down?
When the river is
Go
going
down.
small,
That's when you worship her.
That's for the stranger to
be able
to do it together with us. That's why we used to do it like this.
Pronto, eu perguntei a eles relativamente aos porque ele disse que os filhos de Obá, quando caem a água, eles não morrem, mas os que são estranhos que morrem, porque ela conhece os filhos, sabe quem eles são. Depois eu perguntei relativamente ao festival desta zona, quando é que eles o faziam, e eles estão-me a dizer que normalmente quando é a altura da seca, quando a água baixa, eles costumam então fazer o festival para o Obá e para permitir que os estranhos venham, para que não seja só a cidade. Mas ele disse que, por exemplo, a família dele, todos os dias, ele vem aqui dar um obi para o Obá. E eles têm uma forma de cumprimentar. Can you again tell us how you worship? What is the talking you say for Obá? Can you talk loud for us to know?
When I wake up in the morning, if I come to here to come and put her, to give her obi, so I will first of all say, Parisao, Iyami, Eleko, Asabo, Ajigunja, Yagba Yagba Fulegi, Asegbe lẹ́yìn ẹni tá à ń dá lóró, Yomini Papa, Erimoniju. Iyami Eleko, Asabo, Ajigunja, Yagba Yagba Fulegi, Asegbe lẹ́yìn mi lónìí o.
Is the way you greet her.
The way I greet her.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I have another question. What does Oba eats? What she likes? If you want to do an offering for Oba, what she likes most to eat?
You like pounded yam.
Pounded
and,
yam.
Egbo.
Egbo. What is egbo?
Egbo means corn. We call it corn peel.
Corn.
Yeah.
And what you do? You cook it.
We cook it now.
You cook it.
We cook it.
Pronto, eu perguntei o que é que Oba, o orixá Oba, gosta de comer. E ele disse que a comida preferida, que era o yam batido, que eles chamam panda de yam, e também o milho branco cozido. Now, when you do offering for Oba, do you give palm oil, epo, to Oba?
We reject it.
She doesn't eat epo at all.
Epo at all.
Pronto, eu perguntei se Oba comia óleo de palma. Eles disseram que não, que Oba não comia óleo de palma. And what is the color of the bead from Oba?
It's white.
White. Like you are wearing
like this,
white bead. Pronto, eu perguntei qual era, os fios, qual eram a cor de Oba, e eles disseram que era branco. Is there any taboo or anything that Oba doesn't like?
Anything alcoholic, Oba can't take it.
Alcoholic.
Reject anything
alcoholic.
Pronto,
eu perguntei se havia algum tabu, alguma coisa que Oba não gostava. E ele disse que eles não dão nada que seja álcool a Oba, que Oba não gosta absolutamente nada que contenha álcool. Now, the people that are descended from Oba, do they have any taboo?
That we used to take.
You people, do you have any taboo?
That we used to take in our own family?
Yes, that is related to Oba.
We don't take anything alcoholic in our own family.
You don't take anything alcoholic. And you were telling me that people from Oba cannot carry calabash
to carry
the fire.
to cast the fire to another place.
So if you want to carry fire, you cannot carry the fire with a calabash.
Yes,
It's taboo for the people of Oya. Is it like that?
Reject it also.
It's taboo.
It's taboo, yeah.
Pronto, eu perguntei se os filhos de Oba, qual eram os tabus que eles tinham. E ele teve a dizer, ou eles tiveram a dizer, que tanto o álcool é tabu, como também se eles tiverem que transportar fogo ou brasas de um sítio para o outro, não podem transportar com uma cabaça. É tabu para o povo de Oba. Thank you. Wait, let me drink here, more close to you. Yes, leave him back. That's very nice.
This place they are calling Amoba.
Huh?
Amoba.
Omaba.
Till next year.
Where is the shrine?
The shrine is
Is there. So where you give the rituals is here, or is in another place?
Níbi tẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ máa jẹ ẹran tẹ́ bá pa ẹran tán bólẹ́ ti jà fún orí
I know,
ẹran
but
dẹ́gbẹ́
then
máa
when
jà
you-
o.
when we eat the meat, when we wanted to eat the meat,
Yes.
so we jump from up inside the water.
Where?
So everybody will
Here,
be dragging
or
it
there.
here now.
Is this
Or
place?
If water is too much that time, so everybody will be floating to anywhere they like. I don't understand me now. So,
But
is
for
the
this
place
year
now.
now, where are you going to
We are
play
going
It's
to
here.
use this place now.
this place?
Is this place where you do the?
As here when now? Where? Kasi o sowo lapo.
So
Ahó
this
gan ni ó gbé wá jẹ́ nǹkan gun ahó.
this place is
Ní
deep.
ọgbà ahó wá.
It's different.
It's deep. So the children of this town, they know how to bath. They know how to
They
swim.
know how to swim now.
They know die
They will
on the
not
water.
die unless the stranger.
Mm.
We always pray for the stranger at times. So she not fall on our.
Ṣé kò sí igi ní
Igi wà ń
Láàrin
bẹ̀ but normal igi wà ń bẹ̀ but kò sí bí èèyàn ṣe fẹ́ ṣe tẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ní wíwẹ̀
ẹgbẹ́ téyàn ó
kọ́kọ́
pọ̀
ní
pẹ̀ sí?
Okay.
This is the motor.
This is the motto. So that was the motto before.
The first motor carried by
it now.
their forefather.
How our father is doing it.
Okay, I saw the person will go inside. Oh. Turn for here, turn for here.
Ẹ máa bọ̀.
Mi kò gbígbà téèyàn ń wẹ̀ náà lẹ̀ ní èèyàn ń
Nígbà
wẹ̀
tí
náà.
èèyàn ń wẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n kàn pọ̀ yàn báyìí ni wọ́n.
Bàbá ọlọ́kọ̀ iná wọn ti tún dé.
Mama, kini orúkọ yín?
Mo fọ́ bàkẹ́.
Mo fọ́ bàkẹ́. Mama kiru.
Ọba àbò mi.
Ọba Bùnmi.
Ọba Fúnkẹ́.
Ọba Fúnkẹ́. Mama, can you sing for Ọba? Orin Ọba. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Kọrin ọba. Ya. Ọya. Sẹ́yìn lẹ́ sọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan láàmú ọkọ. Sẹ́yìn ọkọ̀ọ̀kan ní. Ọya. Àṣàbọ̀ òde. Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà. Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà.
Àṣàbọ̀ ọmọlẹ́wà ẹni.
Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà.
Àṣàbọ̀ ọmọlẹ́wà ẹni.
Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà.
Àṣàbọ̀ ọmọlẹ́wà ẹni.
Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà.
Omi o, omi o, omi o,
Omi o.
omi o, omi o,
Omi o.
omi o,
Omi o.
omi o,
Omi o.
omi o,
Omi o.
omi o.
Omi o.
Báyìí là sáńsù bá wá.
Àwa sọ bá wá.
Báyìí là wá ń sùlù
túndò wá. Báyìí làwa ń túndò wá. Báyìí làwa ń túndò wá. Ẹ̀rù la fi ń dábàrà wa lúfẹ̀rẹ̀ kúfẹ̀. Ẹ̀rù la fi ń dábàrà wa lúfẹ̀rẹ̀ kúfẹ̀. Ẹ̀rù la fi ń dábàrà wa. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ ọmọ Ọ̀fà o. Ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ ọmọ Ẹ̀sọ́ o. Ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ ọmọ Ẹ̀sọ́ o. Ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ ọmọ Ẹ̀sọ́ o. Ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ ọmọ Ẹ̀sọ́ o. Báyìí làwa ti dò wá.
Báyìí làwa ti dò wá. Àwa ń túndò wá. Please control the lorry. Wá ń túndò. Báyìí làwa ti dò wá.
Agbada ọba.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí.
Agbada ọba. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí sọnù. 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 Eléko yèrè yèrè. Àṣàbọ̀ yèrè yèrè. Eléko yèrè yèrè. Àṣàbọ̀ yèrè yèrè. Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà. Àṣàbọ̀ ọmọlẹ́wà ẹni. Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà. Àṣàbọ̀ ọmọlẹ́wà ẹni. Eléko ọmọlẹ́wà. Àṣàbọ̀ ọmọlẹ́wà ẹni. Ẹ má má bá wa wí o. Òròlé wa là ń ṣe. Ẹ má má bá wa wí o. Òròlé wa là ń ṣe. Ọba dáadáa. Ayọ̀bá náà rè. Ayọ̀bá náà dà. Ayọ̀bá náà rè. Ọmọọba náà dà. Ọmọọba náà rè. Ọmọọba náà dà. Ọmọọba náà rè. Ọmọọba náà dà. Ọmọọba náà rè. Ayọ̀bá náà dà. Ayọ̀bá náà rè.
Bomi sú, bomi sú.
Ọ̀fẹ́sẹ̀ méjèèjì bọ́bà sú. Bọ́bà sú, bọ́bà sú. Ọ̀fẹ́sẹ̀ méjèèjì bọ́bà sú. Bọ́bà sú, bọ́bà sú. Ọ̀fẹ́sẹ̀ méjèèjì bọ́bà sú. Bọ́bà sú, bọ́bà sú. Ọ̀fẹ́sẹ̀ méjèèjì bọ́bà sú. Báyìí ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ mẹ́sàn o. Ẹ̀rù báyìí ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ mẹ́sàn o. Ẹ̀rù báyìí ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù la fi ń dábàrà wa. Ẹ̀rù la fi ń dábàrà wa. Ẹ̀rù la fi ń dábàrà wa.
Bẹ́rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ mẹ́sàn o. Bẹ́rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bọ mẹ́sàn o. Omi o. Omi o. Omi àlàgbà mi. Omi àlàgbà mi. Omi o. Omi o. Omi o.
Ọmọ yagu yagu lágbà lẹ́gbù àdúrà sí láti máa jẹ́. Ọmọ máa kí. Ẹ̀rí tí mò ń wò, ẹni tó jẹ́ ọjọ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀ṣọ̀kan àti èrè tí ò ní sọ́jọ́ nìkan tí ó ti kú.
So the initiation tool is only to bath them and give your time.
Ìbí tẹ̀lé wa tá a bá ń kọrin ọba gan. Ìbí tẹ̀lé wa. Ìbí tẹ̀lé wa kì í.